One of the most important parts of the Get Known strategy that I teach is to create a blog out of your video or your podcast, whatever value you're giving out to the world, actually create it into a blog post. So you embed the video or the podcast into a blog post and then include a full transcription. Now, to make a full transcription could be really, really tedious and time consuming if you had to type it all out. Fortunately, most of you know there's tools out there to do that. In fact, YouTube even has a way of grabbing the closed captioning transcription and using that. But today I want to show you a better way. And this is a tool I use called Temi. And I don't have any affiliate with them, but you can sign up for free. But it costs about 25 cents a minute to transcribe video or audio. And it does a really good job. And that's what I want to talk about. But before I get started, my name is Zion, and I am the founder of the Get Known service, where we help clients get known through putting out value every week and getting into that rhythm, that weekly rhythm of giving value and letting people know what you do and constantly showing people and sharing your journey. If that interests you, if you want to check out our course or our services, check the links below. All right, let's jump right into the video. If you've never checked out Temi and you want to do some transcriptions, it's a great service. It's owned by a company called Rev, and Rev basically uses this software, Temi. It's their software, I believe, or they contract it. If you use Rev, let's just go to it real quick. I think it's about $1 a minute to convert audio to convert to text. Oh, $1.25. So it's gone up a little bit. So if you have a video and you want somebody to actually give you really, really good transcription of it, what they do is they run it through Temi first, and then a human goes through it and edits it. Or if you'd like, you can just use Temi yourself and then edit it, and it's a lot cheaper. It's 25 cents a minute. It used to be 10 cents a minute, but it's gone up significantly, and that's fine. Now you have to make a living too. So for my clients, I put all our orders through Temi when we are first getting ready to transcribe their video. And so let's take a look at it. And I use Airtable. I use an automatic, actually, I think it's Zapier, which actually sends my video, the link to the YouTube video or a podcast or whatever. It sends it into Temi, and then it's ready for me. It takes a few minutes to process. And then when you go into it, it breaks the transcription into these little sections. I'm not sure exactly how it defines them. If you have several different people speaking, it'll try to break the paragraphs into the different people speaking. That's great for if you're having an interview, things like that. But what you want to do is you want to actually go through and edit. So if you click anywhere in the video, it'll jump the video to that word. And if you hit play, production course, where we teach singer-songwriters how to become a producer also, so it follows along really nicely with the video. And if you hit tab as you're going, so that they're a triple threat, it is the play and pause button. What's also really cool is you could go up here and you can say find and replace, and you can actually find and replace certain words with a different word throughout the whole thing. And there's a feature in which you can, I think if you hit the download button, if you hit the download button, you can tell it to exclude words like and things like that. I guess I didn't have any ums in this one, but usually it'll have another checkbox that'll say, exclude filler words, which is super cool. It makes it really easy. And you can download it into text or a Word document or PDF. So you've got several different options there. This is a fantastic tool, especially if you're just transcribing, you want to transcribe your videos. You could use YouTube's text file that they create for their closed captioning, but I prefer Temi's. I prefer the text that comes through Temi if you're going to include it into your blog like we recommend for the Get Known service. So in every single blog post we do, we include a full, we call it a raw transcription. This is great for SEO, and we actually go through it and edit out any filler words and actually try to make it somewhat readable, because some people will read this. If they're in a meeting and they're kind of interested in this, but they can't hit play, they can scroll through this and read it and get the gist of whatever value you're wanting to give your people, your audience. All right. So going back to this, there's another really neat thing about it. If, for instance, you have there's a quote, let's say, in here that you're like, oh, I really like that quote. You can highlight that and hit copy. And then when you paste it into a document, it actually includes the timestamp of where you've copied it. This is awesome to where for instance, we do this for podcasts. If we're trying to find highlight moments in our podcast, we can just copy and paste parts of the text and it'll include the timestamp with it. It's one of the huge advantages to this. So this is a fantastic, fantastic service. I highly recommend using Temi. It is 25 cents a minute, so it can start adding up pretty quickly, but I highly recommend it. I hope that helps.